There are two shocks that hold up the front hood and one that holds up the rear deck lid. The shocks on the front do not have enough force to hold up the hood while you are replacing one. Do yourself a favor and get a friend to help or prop up the hood. You're going to have to move the hood a little while performing this work, so be aware of the hood falling. The shocks connect via a clipped socket that goes into a ball joint, red arrows. There is a small clip at the rear of the socket, red arrow, that needs to be pulled out to free up the shock. Use a small pick or flathead screwdriver and gently pull the clip out, red arrow. With the clip out, you can pull the shock off the ball joint, blue arrow. Make sure to clean this and apply a small amount of white lithium grease to the ball. When installing the new shock, you do not need to pull the clip out, just press the socket onto the ball. How many times have you replaced your hood struts? That is why Rennline developed the ultimate hood strut, the last hood strut that you will ever need. Factory hood struts are hydraulically filled and will and do eventually fail, without question. They are sensitive to weight and to temperature, making them unreliable and less than ideal for aftermarket hoods or hoods with bodywork. Rennline's fully mechanical hood strut will not fail for the life of the product and therefore carries a lifetime warranty. It utilizes a billet design with a complex machining to ensure smooth and reliable operation. It's available in either carbon fiber body or black and aluminum body to suit your style. Rennline design uses a small clip, blue arrow, that holds the ball in place in the socket. You will need to align and wiggle the retaining clip into place when installing. Installation is quick, simple, and they come with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.